Hers is a telehealth platform that offers a weight management program tailored specifically for women. This program includes prescription medications such as Wegovy, Ozempic, and Metformin, which are known for helping to control appetite and manage weight. Hers also provides compounded GLP-1 medications and supplements designed to boost overall health and energy. The Hers platform offers easy access to health services, including personalized treatment plans from licensed providers based on a medical questionnaire, ongoing support for adjusting weight loss plans, and educational resources on nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle changes. To use Hers, download the free app or visit their website, create your profile with personal and medical information, complete a medical questionnaire, and receive a customized treatment plan. While Hers offers effective weight loss solutions, there are potential side effects, including nausea, dizziness, and changes in appetite. Users need to discuss any concerns with their healthcare provider to ensure safe use of prescribed medications. User reviews of Hers are mixed. Many users praise the platform for its convenience and support, noting significant weight loss and improved energy levels. However, some users expressed dissatisfaction, citing issues like medication substitutions and a lack of follow-up from healthcare providers. Also, a user faced severe side effects, including corneal ulcers, due to increasing medication without achieving weight loss, resulting in significant medical issues. These reviews suggest that while the service can be beneficial, experiences may vary depending on personal commitment and communication with the providers. Hers offers a complete weight loss program that combines medical expertise with an easy-to-use platform. However many users have found multiple issues with them, customers need to consider both positive and negative reviews to make an informed choice.